Hello guys, my name is David, and today we're going to see about property in Java called inheritance. So we have a program which supports this concept, and here we have the question which was given to me: develop a Java program using inheritance to create the above calculation. So this is a table for calculating the amount of salary a manager engineer secretary or clerk gets. So a similar so the program here which I have done is similar one. So here we have used scanner classes to get the input, and here we've created an object ob, and we've given it to a class called display. Display is the child class of another class called tax. So here tax is another child class of uh, DAPHRA, and DAPHRA is another child class of basic salary, which again is the extended class of my class name called experiment 4 extended. So here what happens in child class, why did we use inheritance, what is it used for, is whenever we have to use the properties of any class which are not defined in the one we are using right now, and if we had to inherit it from another class, we give the keyword extends like given here, so that it is able to use the variables functions which are all public, and it helps in minimizing the runtime. It helps in giving it helps in having fewer variables, and it is easier to maintain records like this. So now to give an example, let's run the program. So before we give our details, we just see what input we are supposed to give. So here we give a name, then we give what designation the person is appointed to, and then it calculates based on the basic salary he gets. Basic salary is then added with daily allowance and human resource allowance. Then then the whole thing is subtracted with tax and EPF to get the net salary. So here enter the name. For example, name would be Java, and I give him or her as um, engineer. So Java is an engineer with his details as below. So his gross salary is 39, his net salary is 36, which is being subtracted with tax. So we get 36. So that's the main intention of the program. And here, here what we've seen inheritance from one class to another, and we've used the child class to create an object to give input and help the user perform his operations. So that's all in inheritance, and thank you. Hope you will understand.